What is happening, YouTube? It's Raptor here, and today is finally the day. I'm finally getting this review out. Thank God I got done. And yeah, it took a long ass time to get this review out. I'm sorry I'm getting it done now. So today, I am finally bringing you guys the video review of Ninpu sentai hurricaneger Sanjo. I'm sorry, I just like that. So, basically, first things first, like normal. As always, this is from Shout Factory. Yes, it has been broken up here because, well, granted, these are very sturdy cases. They're also just flimsy plastic. But still, so these are very high quality products. The subtitles are very. The subs. This is a sub product, but this is made and produced by Shout. These are made and produced by Shout Factory. This one came out in 2002, not in 03, like Ninja Storm. So kind of like how I normally do my other videos. I'm gonna go over the plot, the story, characters, and then give my overall thoughts. So plot. It's very basic. It's very, very dumb and basic. And the story, I mean, where do I even begin with the story? Let's see, there is no story. I'm a very basic kind of guy. Some points, like you give me something that you think I like, and I end up liking it, then I'll tell you. For me, I like ninjas. Ever since I started this long road down this long road from my love of anything Japanese, like manga, anime, food, superheroes. I started to wonder, and ever since I started watching Power Rangers, I was thinking, okay, so this is good. I like this. But yeah, hurricaneger is mind-numbingly stupid. Like, the whole plot of the Giganja is to get it to appear. They want to find it. They need it to basically take over the world. But we don't know what it is until the final 3 episodes of the show. Like, that is mind-numbingly stupid. And it is just a freaking worm. And it is just a giant fucking worm. And it is just a freaking black hole. That'll suck up the whole universe. Like, that, I get. Now, taking a look at Ninja Storm is far superior. It's far superior to hurricaneger. Now, that's why people hate hurricaneger. Because it took me, I gotta say, like 4 or 5, 6, like maybe roughly roughly a year ago, and it's taken me this long just to get the review out. Why? Because I had no reason or want to watch the show. After seeing how basic the main three, after seeing how basic the hurricanegers are, how bland they are, like, I can rewatch Ranger, with no problems, because I like Ranger. Unfortunately, I can't say the same for freaking hurricaneger. I mean, again, I like ninjas. Okay? I like Ninja Sentai Kakurenger. Shuriken Sentai ni Ninja. But not Ninpu Sentai Hurricaneger. I cannot get behind this show. I mean, and primarily it has to do with the fact that primarily for me, the main reason why I can't get behind it is because of one thing. Hurricaneger. And that's primarily the main reason why I cannot get behind the show. It's because of Hurricaneger, who is supposed to be the 6th Ranger of the show. But we don't know who he is, what the fuck he looks like. He's always in his suit. Because he gave up his body, because apparently he gave up his body and his face to serve Gozen-sama, who really is just the big figurehead of the whole Ninja Network thing. And of course, we see a bunch of people. We see Hurricaneger disguises himself as a bunch of people, which are really just past Sentai actors. I love that. That's cool. That's amazing. That's dope. But come on. You have to get rid of, you couldn't, you couldn't cancel your henshin just to give us your real face? And another character is basically Oboro-san. Yeah, she is completely worthless. I was willing to give her the benefit of the doubt that she doesn't become, that we don't really know much about her. But then we know nothing about the other hurricanegers. What do we know about them? We know that Yosuke's a freaking hothead. We know that Nanami likes to sing. We know that Kota likes kids. But that's about it. We get no backstory, no character development on those guys. Honestly, I don't want to go with Japan on this one. The Go Riders are the freaking stars. Okay? And I'm going to say it right now. The Go Riders beat the Hurricanegers by far on my list of least favorite Sentai teams. Because the Go Riders at least have a backstory. We know why they were doing what they were doing. And we know why they're so ruthless. It's because their father was a major jackass. And of course, another thing I can't stand is that they use a live hamster. No joke, their boss, the Haide school, sends chief turns into a freaking hamster. Whereas Sensei Kanoi turns into a freaking guinea pig. That's CG. That's CGI. Like, seriously? With that kind of CGI in 2003, they couldn't do that in 2002? Oh, man. Now, I'm willing to give them the... Now, I am willing to do one thing. Let's give them the benefit of the doubt. That the writers had no idea what they wanted to do with the show. I mean, it's not... I mean, it's a... I mean, the show has its good points. But I will say this, though. If I had to choose between Ninpu... If I had to choose between hurricaneger and Ninja Storm, I'm going Ninja Storm. Why? Because, let's see, let's see. We're going to choose to... Because because the characters are more likable. Now on to the bad guys. Let's see, well, who do I start with? I'm going to start out with Wendy New and Fruta Bijo. Yeah, those two are completely stupid. And completely worthless. Granted, Fruta Bijo was really the more worthless one. But when you did do something, she made the monsters grow. Or at least send robots to copy their abilities. That was okay. Now I choose Zubo. The one good thing about him is he was more competent than his American counterpart, Chubo. Let's face it, Chubo is just plain stupid. He's a freaking idiot. Sargine. Or Sargane. What do I think about him? He's not one of my favorites. Definitely not. Satorakura. Is an idiot. Satorakura is an idiot. And a clown. And I can't believe he actually had I can't believe there was actually another version of him in Gokaiger. Sandaru. What can I say about Sandaru? I mean, he's ruthless, except that much. I don't know that about him. But that's about it. Taozanto. Fugly. He's a fugly character. I hate him. I mean, at least with Lothar, I can laugh. But I mean, this one disappointed me. Like, I'm the type of guy that can like almost everything, except when I know something's bad. And Ninpu Sentai hurricaneger definitely makes one of my least favorite lists. Why? Because the characters are semi okay. I mean, again, the only characters I actually like from hurricaneger are basically the Go Rangers. Whereas from Ninja Storm, I like the Wind Rangers, I like the Thunder Rangers, And of course, this one there with hurricaneger and of course, this one is one different. They link the villains through family ties. And I will say this. For a series that's supposed to be focusing on ninjas, it's very stupid. Because they basically use the victory gadget, using the Gojuren victory gadget to basically kill Tazanto. And yeah, so full thoughts on it. I don't want to waste my time on it. I mean, it'd be a lot more fun if there was a plot to the story and a reason for creating a wormhole, the second of the whole universe, but there isn't. I mean, if you want to do it, just do it. But apparently they have to. But I guess the real story is their plot is they have to get 2 medals: the Grieving Arrow medal, or the Raging Arrow medal, and the Grieving Bow medal. Shoot the Raging Arrow with the Grieving Bow to create a black hole. I mean, there were some bad power. There have been some bad villains before, and I mean bad. I've seen bad plans before, and I mean just super bad that you don't want to deal with the villains anymore. Case in point with Ninja Steel. Alright. Case in point. Okay, I agree with me. If you guys see things down, let me know in the comment section down below. But getting this done was literally one of the hardest things I tried so hard to finish this thing before, right when I first got it. I just couldn't do it. Because it was that bad. I mean, again, the only characters I really liked were Iko, Ishu, Kaptoreja, and Kogareja. The Go Riders were literally the only characters I actually ended up liking. Just because of their backstory. Anyways, guys, I don't know what you guys thought. If you guys have seen hurricaneger, let me know what you guys thought in the comment section down below. As always, I'll catch you all next time with some more video. As always, catch you next time with another video. Peace.